Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI platform called Remaker. Remaker AI has established itself as a versatile and user-friendly image editing platform in 2025, offering a suite of AI-powered tools that cater to both casual users and professionals. Key features include realistic face swapping, background removal, image upscaling, watermark elimination, and AI-generated headshot. The platform also provides creative tools like text-to-image generation and logo design, enhancing its appeal for content creators and marketers. Its intuitive interface and quick processing time make it accessible for users with a varying level of expertise. While Remaker AI offers a range of free features, some advanced functionalities require a subscription, which may be a consideration for budgeting conscious users. Additionally, while the platform excels in photo editing, its video editing capabilities are currently limited. Despite this minor drawback, Remaker AI stands out as a valuable tool for those seeking a efficient and high-quality image editing solution powered by artificial intelligence. And that's it.